Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming Chrome is up to date and then open the extensions page so you can work directly. This saves time versus hunting settings. Once there, enable developer mode so you can see ID, pack extensions, or load unpacked ones. Make sure you have the extension files or the extension ID handy. If you're installing from source, keep the folder ready. This first step gives you visibility and permissions needed for the next actions. Now you'll either load an unpacked extension or locate the installed entry to reveal its icon. Click Load Unpacked, select the extension folder, and Chrome will register it. If it's already installed, find it on the extensions page. Once visible, use the toolbar puzzle icon to pin the extension so it always shows in the Chrome bar. Pinning ensures quick access and lets you confirm the extension is active without reopening the extensions page, useful for immediate testing. Finish by testing the extensions feature on a relevant site and verifying its icon responds. This confirms proper installation. If behavior is off, open the extensions details to adjust site access or permissions, then reload it. Make sure to check the background console for errors in developer mode if something fails. One key troubleshooting tip: disable other extensions that may conflict, then re-enable them one at a time to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.